Today's topic is DC motor. DC motor consists of a rectangular coil ABCD, two split rings S1 and S2. This is S1, this is S2, and two carbon brushes X and Y. Okay. Carbon brushes X and Y, they get current from the battery. They give it to the split rings, and DC motors, this ABCD coil, rectangular coil, it moves, it rotates between the poles of a permanent magnet. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
ABCD coil, split rings S1 and S2, carbon brushes X and Y. Okay? X and Y carbon brushes, they draw current from the battery. Okay? Suppose the current is switched on. Okay? In this condition, it is in the horizontal position, and split ring S1, it is in contact with carbon brush X. Okay? And S2, it is in contact with carbon brush Y. Okay? So what happens? According to Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's left hand rule, you know it is the convention sign, from positive to negative it is flowing. So here current is flowing upward, and from here it is flowing downward. So according to Fleming's left hand rule, side CD, at side CD, force will act downward. According to Fleming's left hand rule, at side CD, force will act downward, and at side AB, force will act upward. So under the action of this couple, okay, this is my side CD and this is side ABD. So this happens like this way. Okay, it moves clockwise. It moves
Clockwise.
It rotates
Clockwise.
clockwise. Okay. But what happens when the coil it comes in the vertical position? It loses the contacts. The split rings, they lose contact with the carbon brushes. So current supply is stopped. When current supply is stopped, what will happen? It will stop rotating?
Yes.
No, it will not stop rotating, but it will continue its rotation under the action of momentum. Under the effect of momentum, it will not stop until split ring S1 comes in contact with carbon brush Y, and split ring S2 comes in contact with carbon brush X. You got it or not? So in this way, it keeps on rotating clockwise between the poles of a permanent magnet. Thank you.